Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a soft microfiber cloth for cleaning. These are essential for safely opening your Dell XPS and avoiding any damage to the components. First, power off your device and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to prevent any electrical hazards during the extraction process. If you're unsure about any step, remember, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice without any pressure. Next, flip your laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. For the Dell XPS, there are typically 8 screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove them. Place the screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pry the back panel off using a plastic spudger. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. With the back panel removed, you will see various components, including the hard drive and RAM. If you need to extract information from the hard drive, locate it and carefully disconnect the SATA cable. Be mindful of your surroundings. Static electricity can damage components. If you're concerned about this, consider using our service for pickup and delivery at your home, which ensures you don't have to risk any damage. Now, if you want to clean the internal components, use your microfiber cloth to gently wipe dust off the fans and heatsinks. This step is vital for maintaining optimal performance and preventing overheating. If you notice excessive dust buildup, you might want to use compressed air to blow it out carefully. Remember, regular maintenance can significantly improve the lifespan of your device. After cleaning, if you're replacing the hard drive or upgrading the RAM, insert the new components carefully and ensure they are securely connected. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing these upgrades, keep in mind that we offer a quote before repair, so you can know the costs up front. Once everything is securely in place, reattach the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear a click. Finally, replace the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so, as this can damage the casing. Now, power your laptop back on and check if everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Remember, we provide a no calls, no travel option for your convenience, making it easier for you to get support without the hassle. And that's it. You've successfully extracted information from your Dell XPS while ensuring it remains in great condition. Regular maintenance and careful handling are key to a long-lasting device. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.